¿Qué es la que hay, corillo? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna be unboxing another box. A box that you guys already know I'm gonna be unboxing. Lootcrate. So, this is Lootcrate box of this month. I think the theme is Venom. It's a little rough because it has something sticking on it. I'll rip it off. But yeah, it's pretty much the box. So let's get into it and see what we got. So when you open it, this is what you see. So let's put it to the side, go one by one and see what we got. Let's go with the shirt first. Black shirt. What do you think? It's like a Venom shirt. Actually a Venom shirt. Let's see if you guys can see that. But Venom shirt. It's pretty cool. Kind of a weird design, but yeah. Got a big box of Black Widow 3D comic standee. I don't know what this could be. Let me open up and see. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's like a little figurine of Natasha, the Black Widow. It's kind of cool too. So I can hang this. The movie's coming up soon, so looking forward to that. We got what's this? The bottle opener. A bottle opener from the Craw. Yo, it's like a craw with evil eyes, and in the back you can see the way you used to open the bottles. So basically all it comes. I don't know if you guys can see the eyes, but yeah, like little eyes and shit. See what else we have? We have, what's this? Beanie. Here's a beanie. It's a beanie for the cool now from Atomic Cats, I think. Yeah, Atomic Cats. Not much to it. Atomic Cats. That's pretty much it. Let me try it on. Boom. Boom. What's up? What's up, Dio? And we got a pin. It's a beaver. A beaver on the lake, I guess. It's like a beaver on the lake. And that's pretty much it. It's like the thank you for being a looter. And that's it. But yeah. Again, this box is like $20, so it's not that expensive. Like, you can find this t-shirt in a comic store for $20 easily. So I guess there's an extra everything else, like the beanie and the pin, the bottle opener, the figurine. So I think you get your money back, but if it's worth it, then if you like the theme, it might be worth it. For me, it was like a 7 out of 10 this box, but yeah, it's kind of cool. So leave a like, subscribe for more, and see you guys in the next one.